Hello kids, today we are going to learn about ABCD. Let's get started with the puzzle. B.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
There.
Old
Let's
MacDonald
make a
had
puzzle.
farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
B.
With a
Book.
here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald
B.
had a farm,
Ball.
E-I-E-I-O. And on
Ball.
his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and
B.
a there,
Boat.
here, there, everywhere.
Boat.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
C. Cloud. Cloud.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
C.
E-I-E-I-O.
Cat.
And on his farm he had some sheep,
Cat.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
C.
there, here,
Clock.
there, everywhere.
Clock.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
D.
E-I-E-I-O.
Doll.
Hickory dickory dock,
D.
the mouse ran
Doll.
up the clock. The clock struck five, the mouse ran down.
H.
Hickory dickory
For
dock,
hand.
tick-tock, tick-tock.
Hand. What is this? Dog. D. Dog. What is this, kid? Can you guess? Duck. D. Duck. Drum. D. Drum. Now, E. E is for eye. What is this animal? Frog. Frog. F is for fox. Fox. F is for flag. Flag. H is for house. House. K is for kite. Kite. M is for mouse. Mouse. R is for ring. Ring. S is for star. Star. S is for sheep. Sheep. Also, what is this? Can you guess? Shoes. Shoes. And the last one we have, S is for sun. Sun. Elephant. zebra, and giraffe is saying bye-bye.